If you've stumbled upon famegarden.com and found yourself tempted by their cute, personalized gifts for Mother's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, and other special occasions, you're not alone. It's a site that's catching a lot of attention lately, but not always for the right reasons. Many online shoppers are asking the same question: is Fangarden a legit store or just another cleverly designed scam? At first glance, everything looks charming and professional, but once you dig deeper, some serious concerns start to surface. The most obvious red flag is their customer support. There's only an email address, with no phone number, no live chat, and no real way to speak to a human if something goes wrong with your order. That lack of accessibility can be a major issue, especially when dealing with time-sensitive or personalized gifts. Even more troubling is the complete lack of transparency about who owns or operates the website. There's no company name, no team page, and no clear contact information aside from that one email. The site's domain was only registered recently in February 2024, which means it hasn't had time to build trust or a track record with customers. When we searched for reviews, we found no credible feedback on major platforms like Trustpilot, CityJabber, or even Reddit, just a few scattered, unverified comments that don't offer much clarity. Their Facebook presence doesn't help either. Posts receive almost no engagement, and the few reactions are mostly angry emojis, which definitely raises eyebrows. So while the products may look adorable and the prices seem reasonable, the lack of real customer experiences, poor transparency, and limited support options all add up to a store that feels risky to trust. This review isn't about calling it a full-on scam, but it's also not one we'd recommend without serious caution. Make sure you know what you're getting into before spending your money.